Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap tags in Excel. This gonna be very easy. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So here we start. So here we go. So here this is a data. This is sample data, and you can see this is the tags in the cell which is improper, and this is a long tags which is improper. So I'm going to wrap it, how to wrap the tags in one cell and how to format the tags in one cell. So we can do this, I will show you. So sometimes we type long, you know uh, data, word, or longest longest what we can say, sentence in the one excel. So it's look like that. If you write something after this cell, the longest sentence will be look like this, but it is not visible because so I want to wrap it and make it visible here. So the formula, or the for the formatting, how we can use, just select the cell you want to format or wrap, and click on home and click on the wrap text. You can see the text has been wrapped. Okay, yeah, you can see the text has been wrapped, but sometime it is not visible, or maybe some it is wrapped with the many lines and it is not visible. So in this case it's look like this. Okay, so in this you have to click on this rows, and you have to click on bottom line, and you have to you have to double click here. So it will be visible like this. If you want to you have to correct alignment also, like you have to go in alignment, and if you want to change alignment, so it will look proper. So that is how you can wrap text in long text in excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.